The show looks brilliant again. This is one of our favourite shows. We always come to this one. It's really good to see so many people of different generations. We can wander around. There's people here with their kids, there's people here with their dads, and bringing that new generation of classic car enthusiasts through. And it's a great opportunity for us to talk to our customers, but also let them talk to us. So some of the innovative changes we've made to our policies have come about from being here and talking to customers, understanding what they want, and trying to incorporate that into our policies.
Obviously it's a restoration themed event, restoration themed stand. We've got our Mazda Mark 1 MX-5 over there, which we're going to restore and modify over the year, and we'll give that away to one lucky winner.
So it's great to come to this show and basically meet the community, meet our customers, meet our clients, see what they want, see what they're up to, see what the next thing is. Basically it helps us keep up with them, helps us keep our finger on the pulse, helps us give them what they need.